Want to move more without hurting your joints? The Bellicon sale is live now with up to 20% in savings. Here is how to choose the right one. Right now, get 15% off site-wide through March 2nd. Plus, use our exclusive code BRT for an additional 5% off at checkout. Rebounding is controlled, low-impact movement. It's like walking on a cushioned forest trail instead of concrete, perfect for joints and daily cardio. When choosing, size matters. A larger diameter feels more stable, but if space is tight, get the size you will actually keep out and use daily. Your bounce depends on weight and goals. Softer bungees offer more comfort and recovery, while firmer ones provide more resistance for high-intensity workouts. Adding a stability bar is a smart move if you are returning to exercise or want extra security. Skip it if you want maximum freedom. If you are overwhelmed, check out the bestsellers page. Bellicon is also a favorite at major events like Women in Sports in LA. Start with a 7-minute routine, a gentle march, a small health bounce, and light steps. It is about movement, not exhaustion. Don't miss this window to save up to 20% with code BRT. Drop your height and weight in the comments and I will help you size yours.